To purchase Solana memcoins on Dexscreener, start by visiting Dexscreener.com and signing in with a wallet or account. The sign-in option is located at the bottom left of the page, where you can choose to sign in with Google, Apple, or connect a wallet. If you opt to connect a wallet, you'll need to have a wallet extension installed in your browser, such as MetaMask, Phantoms, Solflare, or Trust Wallet. Once you've selected your preferred wallet, click Connect Wallet and verify your account by signing a message, which will prompt you to confirm the action in your wallet. After successfully signing in, you'll be asked to select a wallet to use, and you can choose from a list of available options. Once you've selected your wallet, you'll be logged in, and you can proceed to the Solana section. In the Solana section, you can browse through various meme coins and select one to purchase. To buy a meme coin, click the Buy button. Enter the amount of Solana you want to spend, and set your slippage. You may be prompted to connect a Solana wallet, such as Phantom, Trust, or Solflare, and you'll need to enter your password and connect your wallet. If your wallet has sufficient funds, you can complete the purchase by clicking Buy and confirming the transaction. With your wallet connected, you can trade meme coins on the platform. Additionally, there's an alternative platform called Axiom Pro that offers advanced features, including wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, and presets, which may be of interest to those looking for a different trading experience.